Cleaning totes and IBCs with GammaJet cleaning systems. How to clean dirty totes effectively and efficiently. Millions of totes are used every day worldwide, filled with various residues, including paints, chemicals, petroleum, hazardous materials, food, and pharmaceutical residues. There is a way to clean them quickly and economically with minimum use of resources using the GammaJet Tote Blast Station. The system comes equipped with a GammaJet 9 pump control panel with an adjustable timer, customized tote adapter, and all the necessary hoses and flanges. Here's a quick demonstration of how the system works. We use the GammaJet Blast Station to clean out a tote filled with oil residue and sludge. We started by inserting the GammaJet into the tote and threading the lid onto the tote. It's important to make sure the lid is tight to avoid leakage or backsplash. Once the GammaJet is secured, the hose provided with the system can be connected. Once connected, the pump can be turned on via the control panel. This pump is rated for 200 psi and 12 gallons per minute. Once the pump is turned on, the GammaJet 9 will start blasting away residues inside the tote in a controlled 360-degree repeatable pattern, covering the entire interior of the tote. The GammaJet 9 can handle high temperatures and a wide variety of chemicals. For this application, we used only hot water. You want to make sure the drain valve is open so the tote does not fill up and prevent cleaning. The average cleaning time for most totes is 2 to 7 minutes, but this tote only took 90 seconds. Here are a few before and after pictures of the tote. GammaJet's patented rotary impingement technology ensures that every square inch of the tote has been thoroughly cleaned. This also ensures that the difficult-to-reach corners in the top of the tote are clean as well, leaving no room for contamination and dirty return fees. There is a fast, safe, and economical way to clean totes regardless of the industry. If you have a tank to clean, GammaJet has a way to do it.